Okay, I've started the recording of the game, or the development of the game, MonotoneQuest 2, and worst of all, starring, well, the guy with the class of El Gravy or just Gravy Bandito, name to be defined by the player, and right now I have to make this fade in. I have to make the screen go to black. I don't remember where this is. Transition? No. Yes, color tone. To black. 20 frames. No. 0 frames. Should start off black. Okay, then it waits. It waits for about 20 frames is a second, so good night whomever's leaving. 20 frames is a second, so keeping that in mind, whoops, get this out of here. How about we wait for 60 frames, or 3 seconds, and then it will slowly fade in. Let's see, it'll slowly fade in, but it'll be dark. So it'll make all these 102. There, that'll be fine. Time. Should it immediately... You know what'd be good? If I had a lightning flash. That'd be good. Okay, this is what it does. It fades in to dark in 20 frames, and then you have to wait 20. Because if you don't wait 20, you'll end up getting control of the player, which you don't want. And then I have to have a weather effect the entire time. Let's see. Weather effect. They're in here somewhere. Weather. Where's the weather? Weather. No. No. Map settings. Could I have rain? No, that's unrelated. Okay, that isn't it. Set weather effects. Where is that? I probably just missed it. Nope. Tab 2, 6 on the right. Oh, here it is. It should be raining with the power of 9 for a time of 0 frames. Yeah, that sounds okay. Actually, no, this should be up at the top. Cut, paste. Okay. Wait, what are you people what are you people doing for title screens? Oh god. This has nothing to do with the Gravy Bandito, though. I'm so confused. Like, the title has absolutely nothing to do with the game anymore. Okay. Wait 20 frames. Then the screen flashes in about 10 frames, and as it flashes, it plays a sound effect of a lightning bolt, or a thunderclap. It's gotta be louder. Cool. Play thunderclap. Now insert a wait of about... I'll put 10 frames here. And then it thunders. Okay. After it thunders... Okay, no, the entire time, as it's raining, there should be an ambient effect of rain in the background, which should be there. Perfect. But this should fade in. Insert. Can I get this to fade in, I wonder? Probably not. I can only fade it out. Alright. Let's save this, load it up, and see what it does. Right now it's ordinary rain, not gravy rain. Okay, first of all, the screen color tone has to be the first thing that changes. Paste. This should be a parallel process. So the screen is immediately black. That's all that I have right now, to be perfectly honest. That's all we've accomplished. Makes a thunderclap, but okay, insert. The player can't be visible, so you have to change the player to something else. Show picture. No picture. It's, I guess, going to be sort of similar to Final Fantasy. Let's see, where is it? Something about the player. No. Change actor graphic. Or actor graphic. Sort of, but not quite. I don't want him to have one. Change parameters. Change enemy state. Jason's updated title. Also Gravy Bandito. Keep in mind, right about here, there's going to be the thing, the box that says, you know, start, shut down, etc. So that thing will probably be covered up. I can't move. Well, I can only move it to the top or the bottom, and it'll cover something up anyway. Unless I do custom scripting for that, which I can't be bothered. God, it's been so long since I've done this. Oh man, it's been so long. Let's see. Prepare for transition. Set move route, no. No, it isn't transparent flag. I think it's just changing. I don't want to change the enemy state. I mean, I want to change the graphic, but I want him to... Oh, okay. Change the graphic to none? Can I do that? No, I can't. That doesn't change anything. Later than, my kangaroo, I think? Whose name I can never get right, despite multiple attempts. Okay, get rid of this. I'm trying to remember. What am I doing wrong? I know I've done this before. I've done this a billion times. Change party member, no. Change weapon, change item, change gold. Window skin, no. Encounter, no. Transfer player. What I could do? Okay, this is what I could do. We'll make the starting position off screen, and then we'll just transfer him on screen when we need him. There, that'll work. That'll be the cheap way to do it. Okay. So it'll flash. And it'll play the thunderclap sound, and after it plays the thunderclap sound, you wait for about half a second, and then there's a flash. Oh, not a shake. Yes, a flash and a shake. And then it'll play a sound, an explosion sound, which I should hopefully have. Play sound. Sound. Do I have explosion? Yes. It should be the most over-the-top sound effect ever. Eh. Yes! Yes, we're gonna use the last one. Oh god, it's like a tactical nuke. Oh god, if you send me the file for the Wilhelm scream, I will try to add that in. So it plays an explosion. Okay, this has got to be event door. Apply. Insert. Now with gravy. Oh god, that's awful. What's Jason's look like? Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna save MonotoneQuest 2 first. Save this. Now I gotta figure out where my files are. Save. Sort by date. Sort by date, but backwards. MonotoneQuest 2. Now I gotta find the folder where it went. Here it is. Graphics. Under titles. Paste. Okay. Hey, Trip. Alright, that's back. Alright. That'll work. After it plays that, I can fade in some background music, some dramatic music. Let's see what's negative. That's not negative. That's sort of negative. Eh. It's not negative enough. Nah, it's eerie. Eh. Yes. I think so. I'm digging this one. Okay, so the screen will flash, it'll shake. As it flashes, it'll wait 5 seconds. Then it will change, so now I have to change, hang on, I have to turn the music off. Sorry. Give me a minute. Okay, it'll flash. Now I have to have this graphic change. So this has to... How do I do this? Not transfer player. Not show animation. It's got to, Oh, it's set move route. Yes, I remember doing this all the time. Set move route. Where is it? There. Not player. Door will then change its graphic to, the open door. Which one was that? This. Yeah, that one. Immediately. I will use the Wilhelm scream, just give me a minute. Okay. And then I have to have it play... I have to have it, like, take damage. Not take damage, but... Oh! That's right. I would use set move route on the player, which would then change the player's opacity to being transparent, so that's why he's not on the screen. Okay, that's what I would do, instead of having the player warp in. Okay. Set move route door. Now I have to set a show animation of a explosion, but show animation at the door of an explosion. So let me check out the animations that it comes with. I need a really big explosion. Eh. Eh. Oh, Christ. Nah, that's overkill. Do I just have, like, an explosion? Oh. Yes. There. Imagine this character is the door. That's what's going to happen. Perfect. Okay, show animation. Explosion 2. Okay. Now let me grab the Wilhelm scream, and I will do my best to put this in. Okay. Can I download this? Download. Download? Oh, download. It's right there. Download. Nice, and it's a WAV file, which makes my life much easier. Copy this. Go back to the folder with the game in it. Audio. That would be a sound effect. Put it in this folder where it's nice and happy. Apply. Okay. Save. Now the instant it makes the explosion, actually right before it plays the explosion, actually they'll be concurrent, doesn't really matter that much. It will play Wilhelm. Okay. I can slow down the pitch. Ooh. Ugh. Okay. Play Wilhelm. Alright. I'm on it. Okay, and then it's going to have a break of about, I think, 5 frames before the music starts up. Actually, no, how about 10 frames? Okay. Now let me see what this does. Yes. This is what we have so far, guys. Oops, get that out of there. Where's my game? Oh, whoops, hang on. Before I forget, let me change the title to this. Hooray. Okay, now let's try it. Okay, I don't know if this will work as planned, but the entire point of RPG Maker is to make stuff and then test it over and over and over and over. Oh, your guy should be off. Oh, wait. Hang on. It should not focus on your guy. Hang on, I lost the thing. Oh god, where is the player's starting position? Alright, it's here. But the very first thing to do is insert set move root, which is right here, of the player, opacity to 0 immediately, and go. And I gotta copy this. Okay, this should wait, how about 80 frames? Copy. Okay, the thunderclap, screen flash. I'm bugging my room again. Okay, thunderclap. Then you wait for another 60 frames. Okay, this is what we've got so far, guys. Melon Quest 2, and worst of all. Oh, what does Evil Homers look like? Actually, that's quite good too. Let me save it. Get out of here, bug. Stop crawling on me. I don't want to kill you. I just want you to get off. Okay, this would go under titles. Save. Okay. Okay, this is what we have for a game so far. Hang on. This. Okay, that didn't work at all. Hang on. Okay, now it's just gonna loop. Hang on. The Wilhelm scream is totally covered by everything else. I think the issue is that the explosion graphic that I'm using is... No, that'll work. Hang on. Yeah, it did black out too quickly. I think the scream didn't fit in. I think the scream was sort of overshadowed. I think there should be a brief pause. Let's see, show animation. Let me... Oh, because the explosion 2 is going to copy, is going to play, but the thing is that explosion 2 has its own sound, so I have to turn the sound for this off. Okay. Which means... Where's the sound? Sound effect turned off. Okay. Now I have to make it play Explosion 3 instead of Explosion 2 for the animation. Ta-da! How about wait 5 frames before the explosion and the Wilhelm scream? And as it does the explosion... That should be almost instant. Okay, let's try this again. With El Gravy Bandito. Melon Quest 2, Gravy Rady with El Gravy Bandito. Why do we keep saying El Gravy Bandito? I guess it just sort of fits for that sort of thing. Hang on, let me just work on this. Ignore the fact that this is all black, that'll be filled in later. Get over here, stop compiling, it doesn't take that long. Okay, new game. Oh, okay, I see what's happening. It's looping, which is why it goes to black immediately. Break loop. Okay. There we go. Actually, no, wait, hang on. Yeah, break loop, that should be fine. Okay. Now let's try that. You could make a Pokemon game in this if you really wanted. One second. Okay. Okay, let's try this again. Melon Quest 2. Let's see if this works any better. I hope it does. Hang on. It keeps fading to black. It shouldn't fade to black. Hang on. Oh, wait for moves completion. How about then you wait for like, I don't know, 500 frames, an inordinate amount of time. Because I think the screen gets black too quickly for some bizarre reason. It's very finicky, believe me. I've done so much stuff in RPG Maker to know it's very, very fiddly. The thunderclap, I think it sort of needs it, but I don't think it's that bad. Confusing, anyway. I'll check Joshy's in a minute. Okay, this is when your character is going to burst through the doors. Okay, that'll be what happens. Right there. That is the intro so far. Oh Christ, I'm not doing this. You are not taking a title piece with a black guy and watermelons and expecting me to put that on the game. I'm just not going that route. The scream is not going to be louder. I can't make it any louder than this. Okay, but eventually your guy bursts from the scene. So after it plays the explosion, and you wait 5 frames. Okay, no, after what? After this animation and the screen shakes, your character needs to slowly hobble out. Gotta change his opacity to 255. Change speed to slower, and then move down 3 times. No, move down twice, and then look up. And then you should have dialogue. Okay. You should have some sort of dialogue. Oh, wait, I've got a script I have to put into this. Hang on. Oh man, where is it? Let me save this. There's a script I have to import into this one. What is it? Where are my old games? Wild West Whiskey Woes. Yeah, this one. Oh, wait. That's not it. Here it is. No, it isn't. Is this it? No, it isn't it. 1 second. I'm looking for something specific. I'm looking for this, yes. I need list of scripts. I need not the particle engine. I don't need reflection. Do I need the standard development kit? Oh, wait, I can actually have it up here. Nice. Okay, so what I need is the standard development kit. Copy this, or cut this and paste it there. And I need the advanced message script underneath standard development kit. Okay. Cancel. Now I just have to get the dialogue template name. No, that isn't it. Do not save changes. Hang on, guys, I just have to copy some stuff over. Biotech RPG. Load this up. Oh wait, your character doesn't talk in this. That's not helpful. Okay, not this. Oh no, I have to find the data file. No, that'll work. Why am I getting emails? Oh wait, this doesn't have the event. 1 second, guys. I'm looking for something specifically. Yeah, this is missing stuff. I guess this is an old version. Hmm. 1 second, guys. I'm looking for something specific, but I might be able to just get away with it. I'm looking for, at one time I remembered how to, work with this. There's something I have to, grab to put in the message windows that'll let me display the name of the character when he speaks. But I don't remember what it is. Which is what I'm looking for. Wild West. I know Wild West Whiskey Woes did it for sure, but I don't know where the file is, and that's a problem. RGXP. Health. Is it this? In the health folder? No. Grumble, grumble. It's not in any of these. That is annoying. What is test project? Is this anything? Oh, it's a panning thing. Give me some time. I gotta figure something out. Which I have since forgotten. And that's a problem. Oh, great. It didn't save. Why didn't you save the scripts I put into you? Grumble, grumble. Grumble. Okay, it would be dramatically easier if, I've just realized if I just use a predefined name for all of the characters. MS. Paste. Apply, okay. I don't have a name for him now. Okay, and this works by saying \name whatever. Okay, let me just make a note of that. Okay, remind me of this. I'm going to give this guy a placeholder name. The Gravy Bandito, his name is going to be, just for now, Bob. Because I can't think of anything else to call him, and I'm sure it will cause quite a bit of debate. So, Okay, so your character... Oh, I didn't save that either. Insert, set move root of the player, opacity... Oh, wait, no, I did. It's up here. Set player, change opacity. But that should be a little bit later after the explosion. Okay, how does this look? Just wondering. might not look like anything. That sort of works. Okay, there. I think that works, more or less. So wait for move's completion. And he waits for half a second. And he has dialogue. Name. Bob. For now. What will Bob's dialogue be? Oh wait, no, if I name him Bob, that means... if I go back and change it, I have to change all instances of Bob into something else. Well, I'll worry about that later. It shouldn't take that much effort. What should Bob's first line of the game be? I can't believe it's not butter. It's not supposed to be an offensive game. It's funny because he's fat, but it isn't funny because he's got crippling diabetes. That's not the humor. That's just mean. Felt like I... Right now it's, I can't believe it. I did it. A lifetime supply of gravy. All mine. Yes, it's lame, but I don't have anything else to say. You'll be saying, wow, no way, I don't believe this. How about that? That'll be the first line. Yes, this is the Gravy Factory. I can put a sign up later on that says Gravy Factory, but I would have to custom make that. Okay, and this should have essentially more land. Okay. Yes, when the guards catch him and are interrogating him, they should just say, "And worst of all," and then fade to black. That would work. Yes, I've heard the song Friday. I use the internet too. Okay. No, I don't want the guards to say, "Stop right there, criminal scum." I want him to say, like... I mean, he could say, "Stop right there," but I want it to be something like... You know... "Stop right there, you gravy rustler," or something. Like it's a common thing, like they've got a term for him. I mean, it could be, "Stop right there, criminal scum," I guess. Who says, "Well, that was easier than I thought." And then Bob begins to walk down, slowly. Oh wait, his move speed, yeah, that'll work. That'll be fine. And then, wait for move's completion. Actually, no. Not wait for move's completion. He should be interrupted. He could be interrupted in half a second. And then... the Gravy Bandito, yes, I'd imagine was involved in many high-profile gravy heists throughout his career. I'm assuming. Yeah. Okay. Waits for 10 seconds. And then the player will jump, but he won't move his coordinates. Is the word rustler? Oh. R-U-S-T-L-E-R. R-U-S-T. There we go. My bad. Then the player jumps, and as he jumps, he has a animation on him. That is exclamation. And he looks around. The player looks to the left. Waits. Looks to the right. Waits. Actually, no. 4 frames. 4 frames is fine. Looks to the right. Looks up. And then looks down. And this will be when the guards come in, I think. Let's see what we have. Gravy robber. I could always change the dialogue, it's no big deal. Later then, Joshy. Oh, whoops. I had the thing backwards. And then he's gonna have dialogue after that. Okay. That more or less works. What happened? Oh, this should be \name Bob instead of just Bob. Okay. It's mildly underwhelming, but now we have to have the gravy guards come in. Okay, after the wait for the move's completion. Oh god, we should have an obnoxious amount of guards come in from off screen. That would be great. We can just have like dozens upon dozens of guards just coming in from every corner of the screen. Although this should be slightly fancier. Looks rather plain. The gravy factory needs a window or two. That might be too many. Maybe it needs a tree. And some random barrels just sort of here. Pile of wood just sort of sitting next to the gravy factory. I could put a fence along the gravy thing somewhere. Just trying to, spruce this up a little bit, but it is very, very bland. And oh, this is a trail. Okay. That would be helpful. Put a gravy mine. Sure, why not? Then I'm gonna have to erase the tree, I think. Put the gravy mine in the background. I can make the gravy mine fatter. Oh, that doesn't really jive very well now, does it? No, it doesn't. It looks like it's obviously copy-pasted. Okay, I'm not going to go with that then. Just erase that. Oh, that looks a bit strange, I think, given the fact that there aren't any other mountains around. Guess I'll just have to make some mountains then. Well, sort of make mountains. That doesn't work. That doesn't work either. These pieces don't fit together. Oh, wait. Yes, they do. Never mind. This one is just backwards. There. Putting some gravy cliffs here. No, it doesn't fit there. That kind of fits, but not quite. Hang on. That should link up with that, but it doesn't. What am I trying to show here? Yeah, that looks okay. Only difference is that these are two different colors, and now they're not. Okay, even better. I mean, I can just end it there, but that might be a little cheap looking if it's just this tiny little gravy mine. The littlest of gravy mines, but I could have it go behind the factory. But first I need a giant pickaxe just sort of on the side of the gravy mine. And random bits of rock just sort of everywhere. Later than Jason, here's a rock. Here's another rock. Put a rock up there. It's kind of hard to distinguish what's what. This background is so bland. So confusing. Okay, well. I can make this go back a little bit more. And just cuts off the top. I'll leave that there for now. I gotta work on scripting out the events, which still should be longer. There we go. Oh god, this would be dramatically easier if I had like multiple people here helping me out in this. I mean like physically here, not chat room presence. Let's see. Okay, go back to this. Wait until frame's completion. Move down. What should Bob say? What should Bob say to the mysterious guard voices that call out to him in the night, telling him to surrender? Could be something like, you know, oh, who goes there? Or something generic like that. Or something hilarious like, I'll make you eat those words. I could make him say that. Nah, I think I'll make you eat those words should be something that gets interrupted in the dialogue. No, after the guards tell him something, you know, like, oh, we've got you now, what does our gravy rustler friend say in response? Yes, I'm still online. We're making a video game. Can I still eat some of my gravy? Gravy is the food of the gods. Oh, maybe. I don't know. You can never stop the free flow of gravy to the people. I like it. We're making a game. Then it waits 20 frames. Nah, 20 frames is too many. It'll wait. How about 8 frames for the hell of it? Okay, then a bunch of guards from nowhere are just going to spawn in for absolutely no reason. What am I doing currently? Oh, I'm making dialogue. Oh, I don't want him to be a Robin Hood type character. I just want him to be a jerk. Just some fat guy who wants gravy. Okay, new event. It's just going to be a horde of soldiers. A horde of ultra-generic looking soldiers. Have them parachute in. I don't have any sort of graphic for that, I'm afraid. These are just all the dead characters. Oh, the gravy guy is a surprisingly good dead sprite. I mean, I could make him a Robin Hood character if you really want. Just have a horse come in. Or a tiger. Or a goat, huh? Where are the soldiers? Why do I have a bunny girl character? Why would I ever have use for this in the game? Make a stampede. No, I have a great idea. What'll happen is that... Okay, I got this. The soldiers will come up right in front of them, but there'll be a little bit of gap between them, like 3 or 4 squares. And then, just when they're about to arrest them, a bunch of goats stampede by. And then he says, oh, now's my chance to escape, and he slowly plods away, and then eventually gets captured anyway. And then he gets thrown in jail. That's what I think should happen. Now I gotta find the guards, because I have to put them in here anyway. Guards, guard. Where are the guards? Guards? Civilians? No. Are they under soldier? Yeah, Gravy Bandito has to break out of jail. Guard. Oh my god. What have I done? This is gonna be the worst thing ever. I just want to see what this will actually do. It's going to be a crap ton of guards just stepping all over each other. Okay, let's see. Set move route for the guard. Oh god, I have to make... Oh Christ, you're kidding me. These all have to have independent... Urgh. Okay. Move toward player. No, change speed to fast. Change frequency to highest. And repeat. Oh god. That's this guard. Now we're on guard 3. Now we're on guard 4. Oops, that didn't help. I wish there were an easier way to do this. Wait. Wait, there is an easier way to do this. Wait 8 frames. Okay, this is how we're doing this. Control switches. I'll define a switch as guard move, apply, and it turns on. So then, haha, this is what you do. You kill off the guards. Oh, actually, I want to keep just one. Kill off the guards. So when guard move is on, his movement, okay, this is how you do it. He moves, okay, this guard, his speed is set to fast automatically, his frequency is set to highest automatically, and he takes a step toward the player. And this repeats. And now I can copy this entire batch, and they should all move toward him on their own. They're not going to stop, but that's fine. I just have to see how far they get. Oh wait, did I say move away? If I said move away, that's a problem, because you're just going to walk off the map. Oh Christ, you're right. Okay, now I have to kill off all the guards again. Okay. Though I think I made them too far from the player. I might have to move them up. Get rid of this. Move toward player. Repeat action. Okay. Well, if Gravy Bandito takes a number of steps, he'll be about here. Or about here. Which means the guards all should start about here. They're probably going to bump into each other and get stuck, I think. Ah! That's why I have to turn through on. Okay, undo all these. Okay. Undo, 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 undo. Kill, kill, kill. Cool. Move toward player, through. Okay, fine. Copy. Oh, you want more guards? Okay, fine. There. That is, 60 guards, I believe. This is probably going to break the game. Oh god. I can't even imagine this working. I can imagine this failing so horribly. Oh, that should be... I'll fix that later. I do have a Wilhelm scream in there, yes. And this is where the guards walk forward. They're either going really slowly or it's not working. Oh. Uh-oh. I know what's happening. Oh, no. Urgh. 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 I know what I did. See, this event is triggered by the action button. It has to be a parallel process, which means it'll go automatically instead of having to touch the character to work. That's why. That was the issue. Okay, let me make my unholy alliance of guards again. Okay. Now try it. His name is Bob because I just need a placeholder name right now. Okay, try it again. Well, the dialogue and everything else is subject to change. There needs to be more of a pause there, I think. Okay, the guard should be walking... It's one guard. Are you kidding me? I made that giant stack of guards, and all I get is one single guard that walks toward me. What the hell? Oh wait, now the event's starting over. Oh god, what? Oh god, I have to get rid of all these guards and do them all manually. Oh, Christ. There should be more of a gap. First of all, this shouldn't be 4. This should, whoops. How do we make this weight 8? That'd be twice as long. 8. 8. Wait, 8. Okay. Ziff's comment, he ate the guard. I can do that. I can have all the guards come in and just make contact with the player and disappear. Oh god, that's an awful idea. Oh no! Urgh. That's what I need to do. Okay, I've got it now. Set move route, this event. Okay. Speed to fast. Frequency to highest. Move toward the player. Repeat. That should be it. Now let's make this awful cluster of guards. These two don't work. This is going to be the worst thing I've ever seen. Yes, save this. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, the guard should come up right about now. Right now. Please work, please work, please work. I have this single clump of like 60 guards. I'm gonna fix it this time. Okay, got it. They just all pile into him. Okay, if the main character starts here, and the main character takes 2 steps down, then 3 steps down, he moves here. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he's in line with this rock. That means I want the guards to be about here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 steps for the guard. Meaning, instead of moving toward the player, move up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Good. Okay. This will definitely work. I think. Oh god, this is the worst thing ever. Here it comes. Oh, the game's slowing down. Oh, oh god, why? Okay. Problem solved. Okay. Okay, I'm alright. Okay, move up, you move up, you move up. It's set not to repeat. Wait till move's completion, and then turn the switch off. Off. I'm not going to put that many in this time because it slows the game down dramatically. Gravy Bandito, you're not at fault here. Now the thing is that if you make too many rows of soldiers, it slows the game down dramatically. It's not very well optimized. Does anybody have any complaint with how it begins? I mean, I know the pacing and whatnot is off, but... Okay, here they come. Okay. Why would they do that? That is not what I asked for. Is that so much? Just walk and then stop? Can you just do that for me? Please? Wait until move's completion. Okay. I just can't. I can't get this to... I just want him to walk forward and then stop. That's it. Just walk forward and stop, please. That's it. That's all I want. The guards are only on when the switch is on. You're right. Okay, turn the switch off, then insert switch on here, and then the switch is off, so the guards are always here. Okay. Theoretically, that should fix it. There's a single guard here. Okay, let's try it again. Why would you do this? Okay, I need a conditional branch. If the switch is on, then this happens. Else, you loop, await for 5 seconds, or 5 frames. That's it. That's what you do. Okay. Theoretically, theoretically this should work. I know the loop's gonna go on a lot, but I'll worry about that later. I'll make it more efficient when I figure out how to make it work. So far the guard hasn't come, which is good. Okay. It's gonna work. I feel it this time. Are you kidding me? Where the hell is he? I bet he just didn't move. No, he didn't. Why? Why don't you move? If the switch is on, then this. Else, wait. Is that an issue? How about just else instead of a loop, you wait 5 frames. Oh, good God. Please work. The switch is on. It's set by that one event that was scripted out. It hurts to laugh. I'm so tired of hearing this music. Please, please walk, please walk, please walk. Yes! No! No, 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 no. Why? That's not... Okay. Switch. Guard move is on. Switch. Conditional branch. If guard move is on, then this event moves up. Now, speed is just how fast he moves from tile to tile. This isn't being repeated. It isn't being looped. Oh no, it is being looped. Okay. I bet that's what's happening. I bet it's looping. Um, okay, after this, after he moves up, wait for move completion. Okay, I got it. I got it this time. Then switch off. Period. Done. Okay. This will work. This will work. I promise you. For a fact, it will work. Okay. It seemed to be a little aggressive there, but it seemed like I broke the intro. Okay. It's gonna work. It worked! It worked! Yes! Yes! Now I'm gonna make 1 billion of them. Hang on, I've got a better idea than that. Evil Homer. Oops. Okay. Throw in some self-depreciating humor into the game. Oh, hang on. I gotta script that better. And then something happens. I can get rid of that. It's just sort of, I'm kind of like, haha, ha. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of that little bit of dialogue. Get rid of this, get rid of this. Free flow of gravy. Add 2 more rows of guards. It's gonna slow it down. But I could do that. That'll make it dramatically slower. This should still be a parallel process. Give me a second, Alex. Let me see if I can make this. Honestly, I just like the idea of this overwhelmingly stupid. Actually, I'm gonna make this one random guy at the far corner just some other completely random sprite. Actually, no. We'll have Oh, I missed one. We'll have this guy over here be a rooster for the hell of it. Oh no, I can't get a rooster. It could be a squirrel, it could be a bunny. Oh, it can be a rooster. Oh god, why? I just have make him a door. I can make him a chess piece, just floating around. No, I don't want him to be a bat. I can make him a zombie. Oh god, wait, I have an awful idea. I'll take, like, the biggest sprite I can possibly fit. Oh wait, no, it's too big. Barack Obama. Actually, let me just leave it like this for now. Or, not as an angel. And see how it works. Oh, this is the worst thing ever. Oh, no lag at all. Perfect. Okay, I guess using switches instead of a loop command makes it dramatically more efficient. Oh no, no, you know what I should do? Oh no, if I do that it'll make it impossible to I was gonna say I could have the guards on the side come over and flank him. Oh god, wait, it's gonna restart. Oh god. Guys, come back. Poised to attack. Just... oh god, they want the gravy for themselves. Okay, what I need to do now is make the map wider. Map properties width 30. And this is where the goats are going to come through. This doesn't need anything since it's off screen. I don't even know why I'm coloring this in. I don't really have to be honest, but I'll do it anyway. I'll leave that as white just to denote where it comes in on screen. Only concern is that the goats are going to... I can make one more row of guards, but I don't see what the point of that would be, because they're not going to be on screen. The thing that I'm concerned about is that the goats will come off screen. Oh, to see the heads. Alright, that'll work. No problem. I can make a game out of this. I could just keep doing this over and over. See, what I think I need to do is this. I need to, something that I'm going to regret doing, but something that I have to do. Take everything and shift it by 1. And the issue is that when you shift it by 1, Actually, I might as well just shift it by 2, just to be safe. Hang on. Okay. Now, what I'm afraid of potentially happening is, let's see, let's go back to 1 and 1. Is that... Yeah, see, now I have to take the guards, and since it isn't centered here, I have to delete this row, or this column, and then slide them over by 2. I was afraid I was going to have to shift the entire group over, but I can just do that. And then this has to be over there, and the player's starting position has to be over there. And then, let's see, the player comes here. Let me just make a note where the guards come again. And the mine should probably have a dusty trail leading up to it, like so. That should connect, but it doesn't. There, it sort of connects. And in front of it, there should be, I don't know, how about a mine cart? And, oh, the gravy factory needs a chimney. Nice. Save, and let me steal something from an older game. Load this up. Oh, wait, oh, here it is. Yes. Let's steal this little bit of scripting over here. That uses the smoke. Steal this. Yoink. And paste it right there. Perfect. Now we have animated smoke. And, nice. And I'm going to put a rock there. I'm going to put a rock. I don't know. It doesn't really matter, I guess. Random pressure plate? I don't know. I don't know what the point of this is. I'll put it there. No, I won't. That looks stupid. I'll put it up here. No, I can't. It's got to be on its own layer. Nah, it looks kind of pointless. Change the smoke to gravy. Okay, I'll just make it gray, or... Oh, no, I can't change the hue because it's black and white, or... yeah, I thought I was able to change the hue. I mean, you can do to all the other characters, but, because it's black and white, you can't change it unless you go into Microsoft Paint or something. Yeah, it doesn't help. Okay. Now, if I remember correctly, the guards come up 14 steps, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, which means the guards end there. Your character ends here. So let me make a quick note of that. I'll put wood down, I guess. There, and your character ends there, which means goats have to stampede through here. And means I should probably get rid of this just in case it's a solid object. Okay, the goats are going to be here. Okay, I need to make a new switch. I need to make... Why don't I just steal the scripting from this one? Conditional branch. Well, let me see. Oh no! I'm an idiot. Okay, remind me to make the guards always on top, or else the goats will, like, walk over their faces. Which might be hilarious, but it'll look terrible because the layering will be totally off. Okay, where's the goat? Okay, goat. This shouldn't be guard move. I need to make a new switch. It'll be called goat move. Apply, fine. Control switch when... Okay, and then turn goat move to off. Else, wait 5 frames. And these don't have to move this way. They have to... they have to move left a billion times. Left, not up. Left. I'm not keeping track, but if they go over, that's fine. Okay, through. Parallel process, they move left a lot. Oh, okay, this should be ignore if can't move. And then turn the switch off, else wait 5 frames. This is on screen, this is off screen. And here's the goat stampede. Wrong trigger. Oh, you're right. Has to be parallel. Have you ever worked with RPG Maker, Evil Homer, or you just sort of decent, or like a programmer, and you just sort of understand how everything works? Because if that's the case, it's great to have you aboard, because I know absolutely nothing about this sort of thing. Oh god, you know what I should do? I should make the map even wider and have even more goats. Because this isn't a stampede, it's got to be really, really, really big. Width, how about 60? I've effectively doubled the goats. I wish I can copy more of these at once. But in any event. Oh god, what am I doing? Won't work. Why won't it work? It'll look like the goats are still standing in place. Why is that? Or they're walking in place. The thing is that the goats aren't going to be on the screen. See, this is the visible area of the screen right here. This is where it cuts off from what you can't see. Have a few goats randomly wandering around when the bandit walks down, and then have them run away right before the stampede. Okay, I like that. I'll copy this guy, and I can get rid of this now. These are just placeholders. Ding. I'll pop this guy. Paste this parallel process. Okay, switches. Oh, you're right, I don't have enough. You're right. They're not all gonna go off the screen. Damn it. That means I have to go and change them all again. Okay, that's fine. I'll just make it a loop command. It'll be okay. This one, conditional branch. If goat move... Okay, no. Conditional branch. If guard move is on, then set move route for this one to move right. Lots of rights right off the screen. Okay. And then you don't turn the switch off for that. Just keep going right. Sure. Else, insert move route to, let's see, move right and wait like 10 frames, then move up and wait for 10 frames, then move left and wait for 10 frames, and move down and wait for 10 frames. I just don't want him to get in the way of the player, which is what I'm afraid of possibly happening. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you're not going to get into trouble there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That'll be fine. I can put that one there. I could probably put one over here, but that'll get in the way of the guards. Okay, what I have to do is a couple of things. First, the guard move Okay, wait 20 frames. No, I should wait 40 frames. And a guard. Yes, a couple of the goats will be around, just sort of there. I can always change that. That's easy. Well, gravy. Bandito. Well, Gravy Bandito, we've finally caught up with you. Looks like you've got nowhere to run. Well, not as if you could ever run anyway. Oh no, after he says this... Oh, okay. After he says this, I should have another switch that makes all of the guards, like, jump up. And then say, like, chuckle, chuckle, guffaw in the text box. Oh, Christ. I should do that. Control switches. I don't know if it'll work, but... switch name, guffaw. Apply. Okay. Then wait until moves completion. And wait 20 frames. Name. Guards. Name. Guards. So, any last words? So, no, not any last words. So, anything left to say before we throw your hulking mass of lard in prison? That might work, Chili Curry. I think there should be more of a delay between when he says the line, or less of a delay between when he says the line and when the guards show up. What was I saying? Okay. Okay, now I have to change, or now I have to make the screen shake for a bunch of frames. I will have to count this out later on. And as the screen shakes, your character will say, name, Bob. Wait. What's that? Actually, no, the screen shouldn't shake there. For through hockey mass of lard in prison? Yeah, you're right. I will in a minute. Okay, wait for 10 frames. Then set move route, player. Look to the left. Turn left. No, turn right, actually. Turn right. Wait, what's that? Screen shakes. Then flip a switch. for goats to move, and it's on. Okay, now theoretically, what have I done so far? That I have to touch up the goats so they all go far enough. Okay, I also have to turn guffaw on. Okay. Okay, switch guffaw is on. When switch guffaw is on, oh god, this is gonna be, oh man, how would I do this? I would have to make it so when the switch is on, they move up. Then the switch is off. Else, wait 5 frames. Then I need another conditional branch. So, else, wait 5 frames. Another conditional branch. If guffaw is on, then set move root. This event jumps. Else, wait 5 frames. Branch end, branch end. Okay. Oh, and then I gotta turn it off. Switches, guffaw is then off. Okay. Now, this guy is the only one with the right coding, so everybody else has to be deleted again, which is a bit of an oversight on my part. I wish I could just copy and paste these in mass, but I can't seem to do that. That would make my life so much easier if I didn't have to do this manually. So many guards. Okay. Hang on, guys. I can't promise that this will work, but it's based off of the scripting that I know does work. So theoretically, it should be okay. Maybe. And that goat's just there for foreshadowing. But all these goats, oh Christ. The thing is that you're right, whomever said that, this isn't enough lefts. It isn't enough lefts. I have to repeat that action. And then I think I have enough. If I just repeat it, and then tell it to ignore if it can't do it. So what should theoretically happen is that the guy's all, ha ha ha, we got you now, any last words, and your guy's all like, oh, wait, what's that? And then he turns, and the guards are all, ha, we're not falling for that one. And then the goats rush by, and what your character is going to do, or what's going to happen is that the game will kind of pause for a bit, and it'll say, you know, control your character, or, you know, run away from the guards with the arrow keys, but your character is really slow and fat, and you will be captured by a couple of guards in the front, period, without fail, and you will just be captured. And there's no way to get around it, and then you'll be thrown into jail. And if I can get up to that tonight, I would be pleased. Now I hope this works. I'm going to regret it by putting this many goats down at the first go, I'm sure. But it makes it more entertaining, and that's the entire point of the stream, I think. To be entertaining. Okay. Now let's test this horrible abomination. Let's see how many things could possibly go wrong. Please don't go wrong. Please work the way I want you to. Watch the goat just walk across the screen right now. Oh god, what? Okay. Why am I... The hell is this? I am really confused. That's strange. Oh, wait. Oh, move root player. It shouldn't be player, it should be this event. That's why. And I also realized I did something stupid. These... Oh, wait, no. If the guys at the top were always on top, that means they'd be covered up by these guys, which means there has to be a gap of goats so they don't overlap. Let me see. Well, let's give it a shot. Oops. Okay. The goat isn't there. Why is the goat not there? Oh, wait. Why did the camera just... Hang on. The camera, first of all, shifted over when it shouldn't. That's a problem. Oh, if guard move is on, else repeat action. That's fine. Your parallel process. That's okay. This event, repeat the action. Huh. Okay, let me ignore that. But did it seem like the screen shifted over for anyone else? Maybe I'm just paranoid, but I'm pretty sure it shifted. Keep an eye on it. Tell me if it, like, jerks over to one end. Oh, okay, that's just the shake command. Never mind. It should do that. And he's not doing it. Why are you not doing it? That's strange. Why aren't you saying your line? This explodes, like it should explode. I got an email. Like I should get an email. This B Forks is now following me on Twitter. Okay, cool. Nice. What am I doing? Now this... Wait for moves completion... It says wait for moves completion, but the thing is that it's waiting... Okay. It's waiting for all the moves completions, but there's a lot of moves that haven't yet been started, or haven't yet been slated to start yet, which means it won't happen at all. So I have to get rid of this, and instead of that, I have to put a delay in there. Does this have a wait for moves completion? Yes, it does. I have to replace that with a delay. Wait for moves completion. Is that in there? No. Do these have a waits for move? Yes, they do. They all do. Crap, but maybe they'll still work. Let's test it. Please work. Please work. Wait, Chili Curry, don't leave. You have to see if it works. Oh god, the game is running slowly. Oh god. Uh-oh. 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 That one single guy in the back did it. Okay, hang on. It works! It almost just barely worked. Okay. It's not quite a success because this didn't do what I wanted it to do. But the thing is that I thought the screen would center over here. Whoops. It didn't center over there. Okay. So what essentially has to happen is that okay, first of all, when the guffaw switch is activated, it should cause this guy to jump, and then the guffaw switch is turned off. But they didn't seem to guffaw, only one of them guffawed, and later then, whomever's leaving, what I need to do, I believe, is, well, this goat doesn't even appear for some bizarre reason. That's a tad strange. Okay. What I have to do is... Okay, what I have to do is something kind of obnoxious. Get rid of the guard move on switch for the single goat. But that's when he runs away and the stampede comes. When the guards start moving toward him, then he should move. That's why that's there. Okay. Map properties with 70. We just have to take everything and slide it over. And now it will recenter because it's too far off the screen for this to be considered the center anymore. So this has to be moved over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Really? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stampede worked, kind of. It means I have to get rid of the first 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these guys have to be killed. But then I've got a bunch of other ones waiting in the wings. Oh, wait. I can make a permanent goat stampede. I could make it so when they get to this point, it loops back here, and then they all continue again. That's an awful idea. And I want to try it. Okay. Meaning, this is an event. When an event touches it, it causes... Later than Alex, it causes, what do I want to happen? I want that event, I want that goat to warp over. That might be a little bit too complicated for now, but I'll worry about that a little bit later. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and also the smoke has to be lined up with the chimney. Okay. I'm gonna go to bed shortly. Maybe not shortly, but soon. It's taking quite a bit of time. It's amazing how little progress you can actually make on this sort of thing. Oh, crap, wait. Hang on, it's a obvious oversight right here. There, whatever. That's fine. Oh, you can't even see the chimney. I need more guards, but... Oh, they're all supposed to jump when they say chuckle chuckle guffaw. Oh wait, there's one not lined up. Why are there brakes in the goat stampede? I'm so confused. Well, it did what it kind of had to do. Honestly, it needs a sound effect in the background. Like a thunderous rumbling. Once the screen starts shaking, I gotta play a sound that's like... Yes. Perfect. Okay. Let's see how this goes. I don't know why this goat doesn't even show up. Oh, he won't show up. No, he should show up. Else... If guard move is on, then he moves to the right and runs away. If guard move is off, later than my kangaroo, I'm gonna go to bed shortly. And yes, Ziff, bug me tomorrow. I'm sorry, I just haven't gotten to it yet. And if guard move is off, that means he moves right and goes in a circle. That seems fine to me. Yeah, well, whatever. I'm running out of stuff to test before I have to make the next part. I can't believe I put this many guards in the game. Yeah, I'm gonna take out the Chuckle Chuckle Guffaw because it doesn't fit. They're supposed to animate, and they don't. Look how laggy this is getting. Run! Run! Get into the gravy mine! There's nothing in the gravy mine! Ah! Oh. Oh, it's restarting. I thought I actually made it in there. I blow up a building and then walk out of a cave. And then they trample me. Oh wait, no, they don't. Never mind. It's just gotta be broken at this point. But there are no goats. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day here, guys. I think it's almost 12:30 a.m. for me, and I'm kind of tired, and this has been racking my brain for quite some time. But we got the basic principles of it working, and got the basic principles of everything going, sort of. And, yeah, thanks for watching. I'll work on this some other time. It was kind of enjoyable, actually. Kind of wacky. I just, the thing is that it's kind of a pain in the butt, because there's just so much stuff to do. And, it's not as easy as you think. If it's like you have a gimmick that you want to make, even with something like RPG Maker, it still involves a bit of work. So, that's about it for the feed, guys. I'm going to call it quits now and go to bed. So thanks again for watching. We'll finish it some other time. Well, not finish it, but put more progress into it some other time. And, I will see you guys later. And you can always hang out in the extra lives chat, because there's normally people in there. And, yeah, stuff. See you guys later. And thanks again for watching.